What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Art of Crypto. Now, this is going to be a little emergency video. I'm sure a lot of people are panicking right now because of what Bitcoin is doing and because of what the entire market is doing. So here is what you should know. Do not panic, okay? Do not panic, right? We are in a bull market right now. What you should be doing is to buy the dips because everything recovers in time. If you watched my risk management video, you would be prepared for this, right? You wouldn't have over leveraged and you would understand that in a bull market, everything goes up. So right now, Bitcoin just dumped about 19%, 20% in less than a day, but there is no reason to panic. Again, we are in a bull market, right? Everything will recover. In fact, if there is only one thing that you do in trading, which is to buy oversold bounces. Oversold bounces means something like this. When the price dumps by like 10, 20% in less than an hour, notice what is happening right now. It's bouncing. Say you were on 3x leverage, you would have made 15% already. Now, right now, we are in a bull market. There is no reason to panic. Buy the dips, right? So many. This is shopping season, man. Shopping season. Look at AVAX. When have you seen AVAX this low before? When have you seen Cody is understandable, but like eGold, right? It dropped down to like 125. That is February prices, my friend. February. Imagine if you bought eGold back in February and now that it's $220. How happy would you feel? So this is not the time to panic. Everything goes up in time. This is the lesson for you guys who are way too over leveraged, right? I just checked Binance and the funding rates got absolutely reset. This is what you need to understand. In a bull market, everyone gets greedy. There are a lot of people in crypto that don't know anything about what they are doing. Right now, you should be buying the dips because everything has been reset. This is shopping season, my friend. So this is a lesson. If you've lost money, this will teach you to not over leverage next time because you will get wrecked. Look. 38% move. Even if you were on 3x leverage, you would have got wrecked if you went in with your full account size. But if you were on 3x leverage and you only went in with half of your account size, you could have bought back in lower, right? So take it slow and easy. Small gains compound over time. You don't need these big wins in order to make money in crypto. And remember, buy the dips. If there is only one thing that you do in crypto, one thing, if you just simply do this, you will make a ton of money, which is to buy oversold bounces. Whenever something dumps really hard, you should get excited. Do you know why? Because you know that in the market, there are a lot of noobs absolutely getting wrecked right now. And when the noobs get wrecked, that is when the big boys come out to play. That is when we people who are smart with our money, who know that when the market is greedy, we do not follow the greed. If you do what 95% of other people are doing, you will get results like 95% of other people. And right now, I'm very sure 90% of people just got liquidated. Now, if you lost money here, don't worry about it. Learn your lesson. You still have time until the end of the year. This bull run is still in full swing. You do not need to panic. This is when you should be getting excited, right? And it will also teach you to always keep 25% of your account liquid because dips like these happen all the time. In fact, they happen once a month. So if you had money to buy these dips right now, how happy would you feel? How happy would you feel to get engine at like $2? It's crazy, man. Just don't panic. Buy the dips. Go on spot, buy the dips. Don't panic. When everyone is selling, you should be buying. You should be excited to buy. All right? And with that, may the gains be with you. And remember to watch that risk management video. It helps so much. And if you would have watched that, you would have been prepared for this. Yeah, think away from the herd. Don't think like everybody else. When everyone's greedy, get fearful. Start taking profits. Got it? And when everyone is fearful, buy. Buy like there is no tomorrow. And with this, may the gains be with you.